We can authoritatively report that the judiciary faces an imminent crisis with the arrest, detention and ongoing prosecution of Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu.
That's right. The operations arm of the judiciary, the Judicial Service Commission, will likely be crippled if the DCJ takes plea in a case set for tomorrow morning.
5 commissioners are yet to be sworn in, and a quorum of 6 is needed for any business transacted by the commission to have the force of law.
Kemi Jungu now also reports that the besieged Deputy Chief Justice attended a crisis meeting convened today at the judiciary.
It was okay.
Members of the Judicial Service Commission this morning held a closed-door meeting at the Judiciary headquarters amid concerns that the judiciary is being targeted. All the sitting members were in attendance in spite of a case against the Deputy Chief Justice which threatens to undermine the progress made so far in injecting public confidence. At the meeting, the case was mentioned off the main agenda generally. The other issues included the renewal of the term of the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, Ann Amadi, which was to expire in October and has since been renewed for another 5 years.
They'll be pleased to have you.
The Commission also discussed matters relating to the swearing-in of the Court of Appeal nominee to the Judicial Service Commission. With this in mind, there are concerns that the agenda of the judiciary may stall. So far, the 11-member commission has been operating with only 6 commissioners. 5 are yet to be sworn in, including the Attorney General and the Court of Appeal nominee. The other Judicial Service Commission nominees are Felix Koskei, Patrick Gisoi and Olive Mugenda, whose swearing-in was suspended by the High Court after they were appointed by President Uhuru Kenyatta. A lobby group went to court claiming there was no evidence to indicate that the nomination was subjected to openness, diversity or fair competition. If the DCJ Philomena Mwilu loses the battle to stop the prosecution from compelling her to take plea on the charges, it will mean that the Judicial Service Commission has only 5 sitting members. This portends a crisis for the Judicial Service Commission, which must have a quorum to undertake business that has the backing of the law. Among the solutions that the Judicial Service Commission is looking at to avert a possible crisis is to swear in Justice Wasame, who declined to be vetted by the National Assembly's Departmental Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs. The committee had put out an advert in the daily newspapers asking for members of the public to submit their memorandums on the judge, but in a written response signed by the Secretary to the Judicial Service Commission and the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, Ann Amadi, the Judicial Service Commission said Wasame is an appointee of the Court of Appeal through a unanimous vote to represent them in the Commission, hence cannot be subjected to vetting by any other agency. The other option will be to get one of the Supreme Court judges to take up the position of the DCJ as their representative to the Judicial Service Commission. This will then allow business of the Commission to proceed without interruptions. Ken Mijungu,